Ever pondered the secret to crafting the perfect pasta with tomato sauce and cheese right in your own kitchen? It's simpler than you might think. The first step is to gather all the ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of pasta, 2 cups of marinara sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, a cup of shredded cheese, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, let's begin with the pasta. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt, and bring it to a boil. Once the water is bubbling, add the pasta and cook it according to the instructions on the package. When it's done, drain the pasta and set it aside. While the pasta is cooking, move on to the sauce. Peel and finely chop the onion and garlic. Then, heat a tablespoon of oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic to the pan and sauté them until they're golden brown. Now it's time to add the marinara sauce to the pan. Stir it in with the sautéed onion and garlic and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to meld together beautifully. As the sauce simmers, you can turn your attention back to the pasta. Mix the cooked pasta in with the simmering sauce, ensuring every piece is coated in the rich, flavorful mixture. Now, for the final touch, the cheese. Sprinkle the shredded cheese evenly over the pasta and sauce. Allow it to melt in the residual heat of the sauce, creating a gooey, delicious layer. And there you have it! In a few simple steps, you've created a mouth-watering pasta dish with tomato sauce and cheese. To recap, Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Step 2. Cook the pasta. Step 3. Sauté the onion and garlic. Step 4. Add the marinara sauce and let it simmer. Step 5. Mix the pasta and sauce together. And finally, Step 6. Sprinkle on the cheese and let it melt. Remember, the beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity. The combination of pasta, tomato sauce, and cheese creates a comforting, satisfying meal that's sure to please. So, why not try it out for your next dinner? It might just become a new favorite.